Good morning and salutations, y'all. Today we got a Levite handmade cymbal, 24-inch, and as you can tell, don't know if you can tell, but there's a crack damage area right here, on right there, and as well on the edge of the cymbal. So bing, bang, boom. So before we fix the cymbal up, let's give a little sound test. Alright, let's fix this baby up. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Levite 24-inch ride. And as you can tell, we repaired the crack damage area on this side as well, right there and right here. So let's give a little sound test. Alright now.